Achieving bright, white teeth is easily attainable with the use of whitening toothpaste, which is the most accessible means of achieving this goal. A person's smile is one of the first things people notice about them, making dental health checkups crucial. However, dental whitening treatments can be costly. Luckily, there are several toothpaste products available today that offer a more affordable solution to your whitening needs. But how can you determine which of the best whitening toothpaste products work best for you? Our buyer's guide can help you make an informed decision by providing valuable information and insights into each product's features and benefits. Sensodyne Whitening Repair and Protect Toothpaste. Sensodyne is the leading toothpaste for sensitive teeth recommended by dentists. Its advanced formula offers relief from dental sensitivity, cavity prevention, fresher breath, and teeth whitening. Sensodyne Whitening Repair and Protect Toothpaste contains hydrated silica and Novomin technology to remove stains and protect teeth. It's an ideal option for individuals with sensitive gums or teeth, containing gentler stannous fluoride, with the whitening effect taking about a week of use. Oral-B 3D Gum and Enamel Repair Whitening Toothpaste. Oral-B, an American company, produces various oral hygiene products including the Oral-B 3D Gum and Enamel Repair Whitening Toothpaste with fluoride and active whitening ingredient hydrated silica. It is not SLS-free and won't change your teeth's natural color but reduces surface spots. This toothpaste contains active repair TM technology, which targets weakened enamel and gums to reduce gum swelling and improve enamel thickness within 2 weeks. It's ideal for individuals with fragile teeth or gum disease looking for whitening toothpaste and better oral health. Perfect Smile Premium Whitening Toothpaste. Perfect Smile Whitening Toothpaste is an SLS-free, fluoride-free, and affordable option for those who want to improve their gum health, prevent plaque buildup, and achieve a long-lasting fresh feeling. Its whitening ingredients, hydrogen peroxide and hydrated silica, can remove stains caused by foods, cigarettes, and beverages. The Perfect Smile Whitening package includes toothpaste, brightening gargle sticks, mouthwash, and a whitening pencil for a complete whitening experience. Fresh Charcoal Toothpaste. Fresh is a Filipino company offering affordable Korean quality personal care products. Their charcoal toothpaste contains fluoride, mica, and activated charcoal to reduce surface stains and combat bad breath. The toothpaste has a refreshing mint taste and is free of triclosan and sugar. Pepsodent Whitening Toothpaste. Pepsodent toothpaste uses sassafras for its minty flavor and is owned by Unilever worldwide, except in the US and Canada. Its key ingredient is hydrated silica, containing fluoride, which helps fight cavities and produces brighter teeth in 2 weeks. It also promotes gum health by combating cavity-causing bacteria. In conclusion, choosing the right toothpaste for your dental needs is crucial for maintaining good oral health and achieving a bright, healthy smile. From Sensodyne's advanced formulas for sensitive teeth to Pepsodent's superior ability to combat bacteria, each toothpaste brand has its unique benefits to offer. Perfect Smile, Oral-B, and Fresh also provide affordable yet effective options for teeth whitening and gum health. So whether you're looking for a natural charcoal toothpaste or a fluoride-rich option, we hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision to achieve your best oral health yet. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, then you can subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you, and see you on the next video.